All right, guys, 2025, and I'm going to tell you why factory engineers suck. And I'm talking about manufacturing engineers and engineers that install. A lot of them suck in 2025. Majority of them suck. And why they're going to other countries looking for people to be engineers. All right, so all started probably, I don't know if it started before me or whatever, but I remember my teacher telling me that if I didn't go to college, basically I was going to be flipping burgers and I was going to be a loser if I didn't go to college. Well, I didn't take that con. I took college prep, but I never went to college. It just didn't make sense to me. I talked to people, seen the incomes, and realized real quick that having a mortgage when I got out of college and having a job paying $50,000 a year wasn't a good idea. Anywho, so fast forward now, I've worked in the industry, I don't know, 12, 13, 14 years, something like that, maybe 15 years, maybe 16, I don't know, a lot of years. And I have realized that all these people coming out of there, they have been conned, and it's hurting both the people that work hard and it's hurting the people that got conned. These were your smart people in school, applied themselves, then they got conned into going to college because they didn't want to be a loser. Ended up coming out of college working for Fastenal as an engineer. It's that bad. And the reason is because they say, well, you don't have experience. Well, I just paid $200,000 to get experience. That don't count. Yeah. Anyway, I think the answer is pretty simple. I think we need to start setting a pathway in America that you are a technician first, and then maybe you love being a technician and you don't want to be an engineer at that point, or you want to step it up and become an engineer. We need to set up a process for that, because I'm going to tell you right now, someone that has physically installed, physically repaired, or physically maintained equipment or anything, buildings, whatever, is going to have so much more idea after given the tools of an engineer how to be a good engineer. Is going to have so much more than any of them ever thought about having. Of course, I'm not talking about your 160 IQs out there. Some of them are probably just going to bypass the whole thing, and they can look at a process and break it down in their mind. This is for the people that are not geniuses, okay? Anyway, what I'm getting at, college is a scam, screwing us off. Well, screwing us off, and taking your money, and providing no benefit. And I think the answer, tech to engineer, that's the answer, guys. Anyway, hope y'all liked it. Some of y'all hate it. Anyway, put a like or put a crappy comment. I don't care. See y'all next time. This Fat Guy Sauce.